Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Backyard Nature Center. These photos and this video that I posted is about an adventure that I went on not too long ago. I hope you enjoy. Now, that footage that I just showed there, the story behind that is I was walking in a local park called Tabor Park, and up in a tree was a blue heron. And I spooked the blue heron flew off. So I got closer to the stream and I saw this little heron sitting there. Let me get up real close to it. I got the pictures and then in video, and then whenever I went back home, I tried to look in to see what type of heron it is. I don't know if it's just a baby blue heron or what, but it looks really close to a yellow crowned night heron, like a juvenile. But if you know what this bird is, please tell me in the comments. I really want to know. Well, that's it for this little video. Here's just a few seconds of some forest sounds with some birds.